If you own a barbecue business, you've probably done a lot of research online about marketing. Now, these articles often talk about content marketing and different ways of being able to utilize it, whether it's in your blog or whether it's in video form. What they don't often talk about is where to come up with the ideas. Today, I'm going to show you two free online sources where you can get some great ideas at no cost. The first that you see here on the screen is Google Trends. Just as it's described, it talks about or gives you data on the trends around certain keyword topics. So for example, when I go ahead and I run barbecue sauce through this tool, it starts giving me some information about the trends, what's happened over the year. It allows me to go ahead and see even a longer past time of 5 years, even to beginning when they started keeping records. Now, don't get distracted by the number 100 here. This is an evaluation tool. It's a comparison tool. So it is comparing other data sets. So don't think of this as 100 searches per month. What you really want to be able to do is dig down into the information. So for example, if you have a barbecue sauce website or you're selling your own, you may want to go ahead and talk about the Mark Zuckerberg barbecue sauce. If you saw that video, he had that sitting right there on his shelf. It was kind of amusing. Some of these are less useful, but again, this tool allows you to see what's being searched for, and a high increase, as you can see here, of how long does barbecue sauce last in the fridge. Hey, there is a fantastic topic for your blog. Now, the other free tool that's out there is called Answer the Public. Now, this one is not going to go ahead and give you any amount of data. What it's going to do is just give you a whole bunch of different ways that people are searching for specific topics. Now, let me show you one thing here if you're going to use this tool. It's set automatically for the United Kingdom. You want to go in here and you want to find the United States. You're just going to go ahead and get a bigger amount of search results because of this. Now, when I ran this, I went ahead and I just used the basic term barbecue. You can go ahead and run searches for barbecue sauce, barbecue rubs, whatever the topic is that relates to your business. With this, though, is it started going ahead and giving me all sorts of questions people are asking. When barbecue is ready, why won't barbecue get hot? Questions like that. And as you start going through all of this, you start realizing, hey, this is categorized fairly well. Even barbecue versus smoking, barbecue versus cookout, all sorts of ideas. Now, don't get overwhelmed by the data. You can go ahead and download the actual content of this, upload it back into a spreadsheet, and then start going through this and start identifying topics that you believe would be related to things that not only you'd want to go ahead and write or make a video on, but that are related to what it is that you provide. You're not going to talk about barbecue restaurants if you have a barbecue sauce website. But again, I find this tool to be useful. It is free, but keep in mind that you only get 2 uses per day. So make them count, but if it doesn't work out on your first 2 tries, you can either purchase a subscription to it or just wait till the next day to run a different search query. Well, I hope this was helpful. I really appreciate you checking this out, and I'll be on to the next video after this. You have a great day.